First, right-click the desktop and uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Then go to Settings. Personalization. Color and change to dark mode. Make sure you turn on transparency effects. Go to Background and change background to solid color. Then select black as your background color. Next, let's add a custom wallpaper to our desktop. So, head to the Microsoft Store and search for Lively Wallpaper. By the way, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Download and install the app to your PC. Then go to App Settings, System, and change Taskbar theme to clear. Now let's import our wallpaper. Select the file. Then OK. Now, we have added the wallpaper. Next, let's add the widgets. Go to your browser and search for Rainmeter download. Then go to rainmeter.net. Download the software. After downloading, install the app. Now let's install Mond skin to the Rainmeter. Go to File Explorer and open Mond skin. You can download all the skins and resources used in this video from our site. Install Mond. Next, we have to remove the widgets we don't want. Right-click the widgets and select Unload Widget. Open Rainmeter. Open clock.ini. Check Click Through. Position on desktop. Transparency 20%. Then change the coordinates. Now right-click the clock and select Edit. Remove these codes. Save, then close. Refresh. Okay, now we are done with the date. Next, let's add the simple clock widget. Open the skin file. Uncheck Load Included Skins, then install. Open Rainmeter. Then select Clock INI. Load. Change coordinates to Position on desktop. Check Click Through. Transparent 20%. Then click on Refresh. Next, let's add the Mi Power widget. So, open the skin file. Then, install Mi Power. Open Rainmeter. Select the INI file and press load. Change the coordinates. Then position to on desktop. Transparent, 20%. Select, click through. Now the power widget is okay. Next, let's add the music equalizer. For that we have to install Retro Color Skin. Open the Retro Color Skin. Then install Retro Color. Open Rainmeter. Select Retro Color. Open visualizer.ini and load the skin. Change coordinates. Position on desktop. Transparent, 30%. Check, click through. Then open settings file to change the colors. Adjust colors as your preference. Then refresh and close everything. Now you're good to go. Thanks for watching. By the way, if the video is useful, a sub to the channel would be appreciated.